Alright guys, I've got the brand new carburetor on it. Not really, it's just got a kit in it. And really it doesn't even have an entire kit in it, because the one I got was for the one for this year model van. And obviously the carburetor's been changed out to a little bit newer, like an 80s model. So the only thing I really needed, because it was pretty clean inside, only thing I really needed was the accelerator pump, the diaphragm for it. Well, that wasn't even the same. The hole where it goes over the shaft on this was way too small. So I tried drilling it out. Well, it's just rubber, so it just kept reforming. But it also had a lip on it that wouldn't let it go up far enough. And it's still not right, but I was able to cut that off with a razor blade and get it to fit up on there far enough to where it'll actually push fuel now. So now, this isn't real safe with gas right by the ignition, but we'll work through that. That's for the fuel pump. And this wire, basically this red wire comes right off the positive side of the battery to here. And I know it's janky, but it's where I can yank it apart if I have to in an emergency. This is going to be the fuel pump. And this is going to the distributor, the ignition. So we're going to go ahead and hook it up and see if this thing's going to run. Now, I did change all the plugs and wires on this side. I've got to route them. I haven't changed any of the plugs and wires on this side of the engine. I just want to see if it's going to try to run, because I don't know if you've seen in the other videos, I'm just cranking it. It just almost get there, but with no accelerator pump, I had no way to get the gas in it. So let's see if this is going to work. And if this all works and runs, then I'll kind of know where I can go from there. I may even check the transmission out. Oh. Alright, here we go. Sounds better. Whoa. Wow. That's longer than it's ran since I got it. Doesn't actually sound bad. Well, moment of truth. Well. I guess it only starts hard. Whoa. Transmission felt good. See if I can keep it running. Well, it obviously won't start in neutral. Oh, we got a lot of vacuum leaking, and distributor isn't quite right. Whoa. Why is it running out of vacuum? Well, it obviously will work. Transmission is going in gear, or at least forward. And it's building up vacuum for the brakes. So I'd say that's a yes, it's gonna run video. And as usual, it is extremely hot sitting in this metal microwave. So I'm gonna call that a day and go in. Later guys, check out my other videos, and if you haven't already, like and subscribe, hit that notification bell, because you never know when I'm posting something else. See ya.